Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about myGov error code PABD009. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to link their ATO account to their myGov account. Most users have reported that the error appears at step 2 after filling in their personal details. According to our research, this error happens when your personal information such as address, phone number, or passport number does not match the details on ATO's records. It may also occur if there is an extra security layer on your ATO profile. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if any of your personal information has changed. Make sure that your address, phone number, and other personal details are correct and updated on both your myGov and ATO records. If the error still comes, then call the ATO help desk and ask them to compare your details to their record C. If there is a mismatch, request them to remove it. After waiting a few days for your profile to update, call again and ask for a linking code. And log into myGov and go to My Account, and then go to Account Settings and disconnect your digital identity. This step is important as it will prompt the system to ask for your information in Step 2. If disconnecting digital identity doesn't help, then try disconnecting passkeys or myGov PIN. After this, when you go to Step 2, enter your correct name and date of birth, but intentionally put the wrong TFN and wrong address. Then click Next. You will now see an option called Use a Linking Code. Click that and enter the linking code provided earlier. If the error still doesn't resolve, and you have entered all the details correctly, then the only option left is to speak to the ATO again over the phone and explain the situation. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.